Very good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing great. Yesterday, we had a discussion on electric potential, wherein I have explained you that it is a kind of work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to a particular point. So if I'll take one example here, in that case, what we did was, suppose you are having charge positive Q here, and you want to bring another positive charge, suppose plus Q here, towards this charge, positive Q charge, positive capital Q charge. So it was the work done, electric potential was the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a particular point, so that this charge was at infinite distance apart. So, but today we are discussing here electric potential difference. So here it is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another. तो अब ध्यान रखोगे इस बात में क्या है. Suppose I'll consider here 2 points. One point is A and another point is point B. मेरे पास एक charge है plus positive Q. I want to take this charge from A point to B point. So I have to perform some work in order to move this plus Q charge to this point. So this work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another is known as इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल और इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस में सिर्फ एक ही डिफरेंस है कि यहाँ पे ये जो दूसरा वाला चार्ज होता है ये बहुत दूर पड़ा होता है, इनफाइनाइटली दूर पड़ा होता है, बहुत दूर. बट इन दिस केस ये दोनों चार्जेस, ये दोनों पॉइंट एक दूसरे के पास होते हैं. सो एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक लेके आना है, देन वी कैन कॉल इट एज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. अगर बहुत दूर कोई पॉइंट से किसी खास पॉइंट तक लेके आना है तो उसको बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. सो मैथमेटिकली फॉर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस वी कैन राइट it is the symbol is, this triangle is called as delta or change. We can call it as change in potential, or delta V is equals to VA minus VB. Here A and B are the subscripts, so I'll be using here delta V, that is the change in potential, or I can say potential difference. Delta denotes difference. So if I want to write difference between two quantities, I will be writing by this symbol. So delta V will be equals to VA minus VB. Potential at point A minus potential at point B. But the formula will remain same as that of your electric potential. V was W by Q. Here also V will be W by Q. But this V is your electric potential difference. That's why here I have mentioned delta V, not V as I mentioned there. And you'll keep this thing in your mind that the SI unit of electric potential difference is also volt, which is same as your electric potential. Now we will discuss something about high potential and low potential first. So we'll come here. Here's the again definition that the potential difference between 2 points is the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another. Then they have written the formula that the potential difference is work by charge, that is V is W upon Q. But now today I'll be discussing something with you regarding high potential and low potential. Can you see this diagram here? Negative sign is here and it's a low potential, and positive charges here and it's a high potential. So ये diagram से ही तुम्हें idea हो जाना चाहिए what is written here. So still I will read it for you. When charges accumulate on a body, the body is said to have electric potential. तो कभी भी किसी charge, जो charge है किसी body पे, जब वो इकट्ठा हो जाएगा, accumulate हो जाएगा, तो वो body को हम क्या बोल देंगे कि उसके पास क्या है, कुछ ना कुछ potential है. किसी भी बॉडी पे अगर चार्ज एक्यूमुलेट होता है तो उस बॉडी को क्या बोलेंगे हम कि उसका कोई ना कोई क्या है, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल है. अब वो चार्ज पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, चार्ज नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. सो बाय कन्वेंशन अ पॉजिटिवली चार्ज बॉडी इज सेड टू बी एट हाई पोटेंशियल. अब जैसे यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है तो ऑफकोर्स अगर इस बॉडी पे कोई ना कोई चार्ज है तो हम कहेंगे इसका कोई ना कोई क्या है, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. बट अब कौन सा पोटेंशियल, अगर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है तो बोलेंगे यहाँ पे हाई पोटेंशियल है, और अगर नेगेटिव चार्ज है तो हम कह देंगे यहाँ पे क्या है, low potential. So it says that by convention a positively charged particle is said to be at high potential and negatively charged body is said to be at low potential. So keep this thing in your mind. And then it says in figure 6 the metal sphere A is positively charged and is at high potential as I explained you, and the metal sphere B is negatively charged and is at low potential. So one is having positive and other is having negative, so they have a potential difference. Suppose the potential at point A is VA and this is VB, so there is a potential difference. One is at high potential and other is at low potential. Now I'll tell you, in the case of metallic wire, suppose you are having a copper wire or any metallic wire. A metal wire consists of positive and negative charges. हर एक metal wire में positive charge भी होएगा, negative charge भी होएगा. Okay? The positive charge occupy fixed position. आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे जो positive charge है यहाँ पे वो सबकी position क्या है? Fixed है. These positive charges have fixed. But this E stands for air electrons. Electrons आप देखो इधर उधर जा रहे हैं. Random motion है. So it is written here, a metal wire consists of positive and negative charges. The positive charge will occupy fixed position and the negative charge move throughout the wire randomly. और जो negative charge है वो क्या करते रहते हैं? Move करते रहते हैं. So hopefully now potential difference and electric potential is clear to you. So I will recall it for you once again. Electric potential is the work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to a point. And here it is from, you can say, from one point to another. So this is the basic difference between electric potential and electric potential difference. Electric potential is denoted by V, wherein your electric potential difference is denoted by delta V. Thank you so much.